There's at least one seed over here. Dry them. Dry them with paper. And then let them dry for 1 or 2 days. Are already dry. Peel them. You take off this small, okay, see, take off the small skin. And you get something like this. Use a paper towel or napkin. And spray it with some water. And be careful not to exaggerate. Then put it in a plastic bag. Cover it. Take note of the date. And then put it inside a box or a paper bag. Then put it in a drawer or some. Let's see how the seeds look. I left them for 2 weeks. If you want, you can leave it more time. We want to put them on potting soil. I make some holes in the bottom. The other cup, I put some clay balls to make some space between the 2 cups. Small hole, just enough to cover the seed. The root pointing down. Cover it up.